Hi guys, welcome to the channel. While most of the good gadgets are expensive, there are some that are really expensive. As ever since smartphones and other gadgets have become quintessential parts of our lives, luxury designers have been launching jazzed-up versions of popular devices that suit the rich and famous. And in today's video, we will be showing you some of the most expensive gadgets in the world. Without further ado, let's begin. Gold iPad Supreme. For those who find a regular iPad isn't enough of a status symbol, Stuart Hughes has produced another option, the iPad Supreme, a solid gold and diamond-encrusted iPad. If the million-dollar iPads are out of your budget, you can still get a slice of luxury at a lesser price tag of just $190,000. With just 10 units in the market, the gold iPad Supreme is certainly an exclusive item. The back panel and bezel of this product are made using a single piece of 22-karat gold weighing 2.1 kilograms and featuring diamonds weighing 25 karat. The Apple logo on the back has 53 diamonds weighing 22 karat as well. A total of 10 iPad Supremes, available in the 64GB Wi-Fi 3G model, are going on sale for $189,000 each. Caviar Jobs 4 Limited Edition iPhone 12 Pro. Available in 3 styles, the Caviar Jobs 4 Limited Edition iPhone 12 Pro dedicates its existence to the iPhone 4's 10th anniversary. One of the most beloved iPhone models, it was the last one that Steve Jobs himself presented. Styled like the iPhone 4, it has a luxurious design and contains a piece of Steve Jobs' well-known turtleneck. Choose from a black, white, or gold color option. Each is made in a limited edition run of just 10 pieces. The black has a durable blackened titanium case with a laconic design. Furthermore, the white option has a G10 case covered with white jewelry enamel. Finally, the gold option has a blackened titanium case and an apple crafted from 750 gold. Each of these phones has Steve Jobs' signature engraved on the back. Available in 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB storage options, this Tribute Limited Edition iPhone 12 Pro combines genius and beauty. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. AirPod Max Gold. Apple launched its first pair of over-the-ear headphones, the AirPod Max, last year. Apart from the metal build and seemingly not-so-protective case, it was the price of the AirPods Max that created a buzz. However, if you thought the $811 Apple AirPods Max was expensive, meet the Caviar Limited Edition Apple AirPods Max, which is over 10 times as expensive. The Caviar rendition of the Apple headphones is covered with 18-karat pure gold and crocodile leather from top to bottom. The headphones will be available in both black and white. Meanwhile, the internals of the headphones will be the same as the standard AirPods Max. Expect the same sound signature and features, powered by the Apple H1 chip. The headphones will cost you USD $108,000. If the price wasn't enough, what makes the Caviar Apple AirPods Max even more exclusive is the availability. Caviar only made a single variant of the headphones for each color. While handling all of your tech with care is always a good idea, we wouldn't recommend these expensive headphones to anyone with slippery hands, that is, if you can afford them in the first place. Utopia by Tornair. Very high-end Utopia headphones were launched by Focal in June 2016. Their exceptionality, designed and manufactured in France and featuring exclusive Focal technologies, a sleek design, and high-end material, soon made them a reference on the global audiophile headphones market. The design of the exceptional headphones was customized by the jeweler. The result is a unique product with new aesthetics designed and crafted by father and son, Philip and Matthew Tornair. It bears the mark of the trilogy, the symbol of Tornair's jewelry, which represents the evolution of life. The universal symbol links the past, the present, and the future, represented respectively by the raw square, the triangle, and the circle of abundance. The Trilogy is made of 18-karat gold, mounted with a total of 6.5 carats of diamonds, entirely handcrafted in the Torn Air workshops. This craftsman jewelry and work of art required more than a year's work, making these headphones the most prestigious and probably the most expensive in the world, Utopia by Torn Air. The product was presented in September 2016 at the Torn Air boutique in Paris. Caviar AirPods Max Gold Black. Upgrade your headphones with the luxurious Caviar AirPods Max Golden Black. Designed with ear cups made from 750 grams of pure gold and caviar inscriptions applied to the headband, they're simply striking to look at. This provides a different finish than Apple's aluminum ear cups. Furthermore, the Caviar AirPods Max Golden Black replaces the mesh headband with rare crocodile leather for excellent durability and a luxurious appearance. In fact, Caviar says that these headphones offer a sophisticated appearance that music lovers will appreciate. And these headphones combine high-quality sound with a harmony of classic luxury and style. They're also available in white or black, although the ear cups remain gold on both versions. Overall, this eye-catching gadget makes a precious accessory that you'll want to use every day. Hart Audio D&W Aural Pleasure Loudspeakers. Barrister turned speaker maker David Hart had the human ear in mind when he designed this unique speaker, but I see a giant molar turned on its side. I'll let you decide what to make of it and whether it's worth the asking price of $64,000 per pair in bronze, $300,000 in silver, and upwards of $5 million in gold shown. Why so expensive? Remarkably, the 28-inch tall cabinet is cast in solid bronze, silver, or gold, which explains the 110-pound weight in bronze. Add to that the 200 hours it takes to cast and hand finish each pair at Hart's factory on Isle of Wight. In describing the design concept, Hart draws a parallel between the aural pleasure and the human ear. To amplify sound at the cochlea, 3 bones vibrate a window in the inner ear. This amplification is recreated by the cabinet being entirely silent. It is so solid and inert that almost all of the energy from the drive unit enters the room instead of being used to vibrate, resonate, or excite a wooden cabinet. The result is super efficient, clean sound without any cabinet noise. iPhone 5 Black Diamond. Made using 135-gram solid gold of 25 karat, the $15 million iPhone 5 Black Diamond took 9 weeks to build. The chassis was inlaid with 600 white diamonds, while the Apple logo on the back boasts 53 of these gems. Apart from these precious materials, the phone also utilizes sapphire in the screen. The highlight of this black and gold iPhone 5 is the single, flawless black deep-cut diamond that has replaced the home button. Weighing 26 carats, this black diamond belongs to a Chinese businessman who commissioned this phone from luxury product maker Stuart Hughes. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below which one you like the most. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.